Hello, in this video we're going to have a look at how we can sell, well, basically issue free tickets for guests that do walk-ups at the door for some specific promos. So in my case, I've actually set up two types of tickets in my Ovid backend. There's a paid admission, which is priced at $55, and there's a promo free admission here. Right? So this is part of a promo that we want to set up for some specific guests that will be issued free tickets once they arrive at our attraction. There's a special setup with this promo free admission type of ticket. We've actually set it up to be hidden from most of the public, except for those that we actually want to allow to get in. So I've set the ticket to be a private invitation with a special code that we're going to use to issue those tickets at the entrance, but also send these tickets to our guests once they register to their email address. All right, so I've set up a promo code here that will unlock this free type of ticket. One additional thing that I've done is, because we also want to collect some data from our guests so we can know who actually claimed the free tickets so we can remarket to them afterwards, is on the first step in my attraction setup under advanced settings, I've set up the enable customer form option. And this basically enabled the customer form step number 4 in our setup. And that's where I added some relevant information that we want to collect, like the phone number. And in this case, I'm going to enable this as a checkbox so our guests agree to the terms and conditions that we have set up. Now, this is probably going to be them checking in at the entrance and agreeing to that. And once we've done that, we're going to press save. And we're going to head out to the registration preview. All right, so here's the preview of our registration. As you can see, there's just an admission, a paid admission here. But once I press the code, we have unlocked the promo free admission. And in my case, I've actually already added 3 tickets. All right, so I've added 3 tickets to my card. This is going to be you at entrance issuing those tickets for the guests. And once I've added this code, there's a shared code link option here. We can save this and use it later to automatically apply this discount and unlock the promo free admission. All right, so moving on to the next step, we're going to see that we have by default one information that we're going to be requiring, their email address, right? So once I'm going to add this here. This is the email where the tickets are going to be sent to. We're going to see them on the screen once we issue them, but they're also going to be sent to our guests. Then we have the phone number that we've set up in the customer form. This can be mandatory or non-mandatory. In my case, I've set them up as non-mandatory. And once I press continue, we're going to see that we have a new screen that shows us all of the tickets. All of them can be shared, downloaded, but we also have this button right here, print all. Once we press it, there's a new option being shown, which allows us to print all of the tickets, or just scan them and check all of our guests in. It's pretty easy to manage. And once we have generated these tickets, we can return to our page and restart the process. In the back end, all of this data has been saved. So we have the guest information and the tickets have been checked in.